Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will discuss with you chapter 8, which is reflection of light. And from this chapter I will discuss some question with you. So this is my request to you. Please give your full concentration in this video class and learn all of this question. My dear student, this is our first question, and here you can see that the question is, what is irregular reflection? So do you know what is irregular reflection? And here you can see that if a parallel beam of light falls on a rough surface or rough mirror, after reflection does not remain parallel and is not converted into a convergent or a divergent beam, then such type of reflection is called irregular reflection. So now I will explain you why irregular reflection happen. Okay? So dear student, do you know why irregular reflection happens? The irregular reflection happens due to the law of reflection. In the law of reflection, the incident angle and the reflected angle will be equal to each other. But here you can see that this is a rough surface or rough mirror, and all the green rays are incident ray. So when all the incident ray will fall on the rough surface or rough mirror at the different angle, due to that reason, after the reflection, all the reflected angle will be the different, and that's why the irregular reflection will happen on a rough surface or rough mirror. I hope you understand why the irregular reflection happens. My dear student, this is our number 2 question, and here you can see that the question is, write the properties of image in a plane mirror. That means I have to describe what is the properties of the image which is created in a plane mirror. Okay? So now I will discuss with you some properties of the image which is created in a plane mirror. Here you can see that M prime is a mirror and X, Y is an object, and X prime, Y prime is the image of this object. Okay, and here you can see that the properties of this image which is created in this plane mirror. Number 1 is virtual. That means here you can see that the image which is created, that is situated at the behind side of the mirror. Okay, that's why this image is virtual. Okay. Number 2, the image is straight. That means here you can see that how the object is situated or placed in front of the mirror, as like that the image is created at the behind side of the mirror, and XY object and X prime Y prime image is look like same. That's why the image is straight. Okay. Number 3, equal to the size of the object. That means what is the length or size of the object, at the same size or length image is created at the behind side of the mirror. That means the length or the size of the image and object is equal. And number 4, the equidistance from the mirror. That means from the mirror at which distance the object is situated. From the mirror at the same distance the image is created at the behind side of the mirror. Okay, I hope all the students you understand what is the properties of the image which is created in a plane mirror. So my dear student, now I will discuss question number 3. And here you can see that the question is, how can we identify a mirror without touching it? So dear student, without touching any mirror, or I have to find out what type of mirror is that. Okay? If we place any object in front of the mirror and after to analyze the properties of the image, we can easily identify which type of mirror is that. Okay? So here you can see that if we place any object XY in front of the mirror and after that the image will be created behind side of the mirror, and the properties of the image is this image is virtual because the image is created at the behind side of the mirror. This image size is equal size to the object. Number 3, the image at which place is created, the distance between the image and the mirror is same with the distance between mirror and the object. Okay? And to analyze all those properties, we can easily say that this mirror is a plane mirror. Okay? So now, for the another mirror, here you can see that this M prime is another mirror. Okay? And if we place any object in front of this mirror, and what image will create, to analyze the properties of that image, we can easily say that what type of mirror is that. Okay? So here you can see that if we place any object XY in front of this mirror, an image will create behind side of this mirror. And if I analyze this image properties, then here you can see that the image is virtual because at which side the object is placed, at the opposite side the image is created, and so that this image is virtual image. Okay? And here you can see that the image is straight and the image is smaller size than the object. Okay? So to analyze all of these properties, we can say that this mirror is a convex mirror. I hope all the students, you can understand how can we identify this convex mirror without touching it. So dear student, and here you can see that this is also a mirror, M prime. And if we place any object in front of this mirror, and which image will create in this mirror, to analyze the properties of the image, we can say that what type of mirror is that. Okay? So here you can see that if we place any object inside the focal length, that means from this point to this point is called focal length. So after that, which image is created in this mirror, here you can see that to analyze the properties of this image, we can say that what type of image is that. And here you can see that the image is created at the opposite side of the object, that means at the behind side of the mirror. So this image is virtual image, but here you can see that the length or the size of this image is much larger than the object, but the image is straight. So to analyze all of these properties, we can say that this mirror is a concave mirror. So my dear student, I hope you understand without touching any mirror how can we identify all of this mirror. So dear student, this is number 4 question, and here you can see that the question is, what is main focus? Do you know what is main focus for a spherical mirror? Okay, let me explain it. Here you can see that a beam of ray adjacent or parallel to the principal axis being incident on a spherical mirror converges at a point or the principal axis for the concave mirror. Here you can see that this is a concave mirror, and in this concave mirror, if all of this incident ray which are indicating by red color on this mirror, after reflection all the reflected ray which are indicating by the blue color, all this reflected ray will meet at a specific point on the main axis or appears to be diverging from a point on the principal axis for convex mirror. Here you can see that this is a convex mirror, and in this convex mirror, when a parallel light beam are incident on this mirror, after reflection all the reflected ray scattered from all the direction. If we extend all this reflected ray at the behind side, they will meet at this point, and after that they look like this light ray are coming from that point, so that at which point all the reflected ray will converge, or from the point where all the right ray will diverge, this point of the principal axis is called main focus. I hope you understand what is main focus. So my dear student, this is our number 5 question, and this question is, here you can see that which mirror is commonly used by a dentist and why. So dear student, do you know what type of mirror is commonly used by a dentist and why? So let me explain it. Usually doctors commonly use concave mirror while they treating their patient, because here you can see that in this figure, in a concave mirror, if we place any object inside the focal length, the image which will created in this mirror, the image is straight, virtual, but the larger size than the object. Here x prime y prime is the image and xy is the object, and the image size is much larger than the object. When a doctor treats his patient teeth, at the time he or she need to see the image of the teeth as much larger than the real teeth. Okay, and that's why doctors commonly use the concave mirror while they're treating their patient. Our number 6 question, and here you can see that the question is, which mirror is used in the headlight of a car or motorbike? So dear student, do you know what type of mirror is used in the headlight of a car or motorbike? Concave mirror is commonly used in the headlight of a car or motorbike. But why? Look at this figure. Here you can see that in a concave mirror, if we place any object inside the mirror, the image which is created, here xy is the object and x prime y prime is the image, and the properties of the image is virtual, straight, but the larger size than the object. In a car or motorbike, the headlight is placed at the very close to the focal length, which creates a very larger reflection, and after that all the reflected ray will scatter all the direction, and that's why concave mirror is commonly used in the headlight of a car or motorbike. I hope you understand. So dear student, this is our number 7 question, and here you can see that the question is, which mirror is used in the looking glass of a car? So do you know which type of mirror is used in a looking glass of a car? Convex mirror are commonly used in the looking glass of a car, and this is a convex mirror. And why convex mirrors are commonly used in the looking glass of a car? Here you can see that M prime is a convex mirror, and if we place any object in front of this mirror, then the image which is created behind side of the mirror, the properties are: the image is virtual, straight, but the size is smaller than the object. And for this reason, if the convex mirror are used in the looking glass of a car, a lot of space in the backside of the car will be created on the mirror. Here you can see an image, and in this image you can see that a convex mirror is used in the looking glass of a mirror. So a lot of space at the behind side of the car will be seen in this small mirror. So a driver can easily see at the behind side of this car, and also he can see that is there any vehicle or car coming from the back side of this car, and after that he can drive safely. Okay, and for all of this reason, convex mirror is commonly used in the looking glass of a car. I hope you understand why the convex mirror is used in the looking glass of a car. And this is our number 8 question, and here you can see that the question is, which mirror are used in the hilly road? Do you know which type of mirror is used in a hilly road? So let me explain it. I think you know hilly roads are very zigzag, and sometimes it curved at 90-degree angle. And here you can see that this is some portion of a hilly road, and at that place this road is curved at 90-degree angle. If two cars, here you can see that these two cars are coming from the opposite side, they will not see each other. So at that time there is a possibility to occur an accident. So if we place a plane mirror at 45-degree angle at that place, after that these two cars can see each other if they look at the mirror. Okay, so after that they can easily prevent that kind of accident. So for this reason, where that kind of 90-degree curve are present in the hilly road, plane mirror are commonly used at 45-degree angle. And I hope all the students you can understand why plane mirror are used in the hilly road. So my dear student, this is number 9 question, and here you can see that the question is, which mirror is used in periscope? So dear student, do you know which mirror is used in the periscope? Okay, let me explain it. A periscope is a rectangular or cylindrical shaped pipe where two plane mirrors are placed parallelly and at 45-degree angle with the respect of this pipe. Okay, and M1 is a plane mirror, and also the another mirror M2 is a plane mirror, and M1 mirror are placed at 45-degree angle at that place with the respect of this periscope, and the another plane mirror M2 also placed at 45-degree angle with the respect of this periscope. When the ray will come from the object which is situated in front of the periscope at that place, will incident on the M1 mirror at 45-degree angle. After that, the reflected ray will go to directly downward at 45-degree angle and incident on M2 plane mirror. After that, the reflected ray from the M2 mirror will passes through the periscope, and the person who is standing outside of the periscope, he can easily see the object which is situated in front of the periscope at that place. And I hope all the students you can understand why two plane mirrors are placed parallelly and at 45-degree angle with the respect of periscope. So dear student, this is the last question for today. And the question is, what is the meaning of magnification of 1.5? So dear student, do you know what is the meaning of magnification? Magnification refers to how much larger or smaller the image than the object. Okay? And the formula of the magnification, M equals to L prime by L, where L prime is the length of image and L is the length of object. So if we put the magnification value 1.5 on the M here, 1.5 equals to L prime by L. So L prime equals to 1.5 into L. Okay, we will get that last equation where L prime equals to 1.5 into L. That means the image which is created, that is 1.5 times larger than the real object. And I hope you can understand what is the magnification of 1.5. So my dear student, I hope you have enjoyed this class very much and you have learned all of this question which I have already discussed with you. And please write all of this question answer in your copy and submit it to your subject teacher. Inshallah, see you again. Assalamu alaikum.